Introducing the Leather Doctor, a fantastic mobile leather and vinyl repair and cleaning franchise. Adelaide, South Australia. Did you know you can earn up to $200,000 a year as a single unit franchisee when you join the award-winning Leather Doctor franchise? The Leather Doctor has been named by the Franchise Council of Australia as a finalist in the Franchiser of the Year Awards for 3 consecutive years. Your license will allow you to exclusively trade in a large territory in South Australia. You'll need no special skills to get started, just motivation, a willingness to learn, and the desire to run your own successful business. This mobile service franchise provides clients with professional cleaning, repair, restoration, and recolouring to leather and vinyl furniture, car and boat interiors, and more. The Leather Doctor's comprehensive training program equips you with all the necessary skills to successfully complete work. Professionally developed advertising and proven lead generation marketing will be readily available to you, as well as extensive ongoing support. With low franchise fees and no need to pay for or maintain a retail space, this franchise is a true moneymaker. You can achieve the perfect work-life balance with little competition, great support, and plenty of customers. Leather Doctor services are also used by national retailers for warranty and insurance claims. So join this successful team today.